Determining trend direction with EMA. Welcome back, traders. In our last episode, we learned the basics of EMA trading. Today, we'll take it a step further and discover how to determine trend direction using EMA. When analyzing EMA, one of its primary applications is to identify the trend direction. By comparing different EMAs with varying periods, we can gain insights into the market's overall trend. A common approach is to use two EMAs, such as a shorter-term EMA and a longer-term EMA. When the shorter-term EMA crosses above the longer-term EMA, it suggests an uptrend, and when it crosses below, it indicates a downtrend. The steepness of the EMA lines indicates the strength of the trend. When the EMAs are sloping upward with a significant angle, it suggests a strong uptrend. Conversely, when the EMAs are sloping downward with a notable angle, it indicates a strong downtrend. A gradual or flat slope may indicate a weak or ranging market. The distance or separation between different EMAs can provide insights into trend strength. In a strong uptrend, the shorter-term EMA tends to remain consistently above the longer-term EMA, and the gap between them widens. This indicates a robust bullish momentum. Similarly, in a strong downtrend, the shorter-term EMA stays consistently below the longer-term EMA, with increasing separation. Observing how the price interacts with the EMAs is crucial. In a strong uptrend, the price tends to stay above the EMAs, often finding support at the EMAs during pullbacks. Conversely, in a strong downtrend, the price remains below the EMAs and may encounter resistance at the EMAs during minor rallies. These interactions suggest the overall strength of the trend. Traders often look for confirmation from other indicators or chart patterns to validate the trend before entering trades. Remember, EMA is just one tool in your trading toolbox. Great job! Now you know how to determine trend direction using EMA. In our next episode, we'll explore how to use EMA for support and resistance levels. Stay tuned.